this one I have for you guys is related to hip mobility and low back pain. So recently was talking to one of my old clients. She's 65 years old. She just had hip surgery and she has low back pain. What I was explaining to her that a lot of that has to do with her weakness in her hips. And her doctor at this time told her that she can't be doing any of the 90-90 moves that we teach in Prime Pro. So what I told her to regress that, something that she could do, is actually in a chair. And I recommend this to anybody else that needs to work on their hip mobility also, is you don't necessarily have to get down in the 90-90 position. The idea is that we're working on rotating the hips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my feet and I'm gonna turn them out as far as I can. But when you turn out, don't think from turning from the knee, think from turning from the hip. You know when you do it right, because you're gonna intensify it and you'll actually feel like your butt will start to cramp up. Hold that, intensify it for about 5 solid seconds, release, do it again 3 to 5 times on both sides, and you should do this as much as you can throughout the day.